Meld. The word meld is a verb that means to blend, combine, or merge things together. It is often used to describe the act of mixing different elements or ideas to create a unified whole. Here are a few examples to help illustrate its usage. 1. The chef melded traditional Italian flavors with modern cooking techniques to create a unique and delicious dish. In this example, the chef combined traditional Italian flavors and modern cooking techniques to create a new and innovative dish. 2. The artist melded different art styles to create a stunning masterpiece. Here, the artist blended or merged different art styles to produce a beautiful and captivating piece of art. 3. The team members melded their individual skills and expertise to successfully complete the project. This sentence shows how the team members combined their individual skills and knowledge to accomplish the project's goals. 4. The novel melds elements of mystery, romance, and fantasy to create a captivating storyline. In this case, the novel incorporates or merges elements of mystery, romance, and fantasy to form an engaging and interesting plot. Overall, meld is a versatile word that highlights the process of bringing different elements or ideas together to form a cohesive whole.